Hello everyone. Yes, another unboxing video. Let's get started. Now, I've always wanted this model here for a while. It's been on the wish list for a couple years. And I got this from Buffalo Imports. And just to let you know, I checked the website again and it's officially out of stock. So this model right here was the last one in stock, or they probably had one in stock and I took it. So yeah, alright, that aside, you see that? Here it is, the Sany rough terrain crane. Here it is. I know you can't see it. Let me see if I can zoom in. That made it worse. Okay. Which one is this? Does it say it on it? Alright, here's the bottom of it. Warning. So it's a 1/50th scale. And I just cut myself. Great. It'll stop. It'll stop soon. Yeah, it's not that bad. Uh-oh. Alright. Dun 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 dun. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Dun dun dun. Oh, look at that. It's got a ribbon on it. That's cool. Take this out without wrecking anything. This is nothing in the bag. Alright. There we go. It is the Sany SRC865XL rough terrain crane. Now let me take the ribbon up. Actually, let me just... yeah. Why bother cutting it? You just unravel it. Alright, here it is. Nicely done. This is the first rough terrain crane in my collection. Got this for about $175. Buffalo Imports. So if you want to get this, you may have to get it from eBay. And I believe eBay has the updated version of it. This one's the old version. It's bigger than expected. Pretty nice. Alright, so there you guys go. Unboxing of the rough terrain crane made by Sany. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.